Hi everyone, I'm John Newman, this is HowEasy, and today I will show you how to convert PDF to JPG. Enjoy! Today I will work with smallpdf.com. I will give you link under the video by method drag and drop. So after convert your PDF, you can easily click download button and download zip file. After extract your zip file, you will get a folder and you can see that every page in your PDF document is now like a JPEG. You can open it and check it. Thank you so much that you watched this video. If you like this video, please give me a like or subscribe or comment this video and stay tuned because next time I will show you more life hacks with PDF. Ciao.